Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an Instagram post using Canva. So let's get started. Open your Google Chrome browser, choose your profile, then open Canva website. You can directly put the URL or can search on Google. Now, after opening Canva website, log in with your account. After logging in, you have to move to home, press on home button. Now, on the first of the list, you can see Instagram post square. Click on it. Now, for creating a Instagram post, you have to select a template. Canva has tons of ready-made templates. You can choose one and customize it. If you want a unique design, just search in the option here, template. For example, I want to create a Instagram post for Christmas. I will type Merry Christmas. Now, as you can see in the top here, click on it. And you can see tons of Christmas templates you can choose according to your need. For example, I want this Christmas. It's look very much pretty. Now, for uh, customizing your Instagram post, click on the text to change the words. You can change the uh, font of your text. Like if I want something dark and I can say this will more better. Now you can change the font color by clicking on here. You can change the text color as well as you can change the text size, and you can put effects by clicking on it. It will give a effects on your text. For example, if I put glitch, it will make my text glitchy. You can change anything as per your need according to your adjust the elements. Now, after editing all the your Instagram post and giving your much needed features, just go to share and click on download to download your Instagram post and just adjust the size by arranging the arrow. If you want it 4K, it can also available in 4K and press the download option. And that's it guys, you just created our Instagram post using Canva in minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and let me know in the comments what kind of Canva tutorial you want to watch next, and thank you guys. Take care.